Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasngi. Umentri rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya ulo ongba ka Jylla kamat I ka Jingeh ka bakrau ha ka be dei berki parti Dewiong bala e no shrah ha ka leng ka Jylla. Ki bla don de ki spa snem ber ki ba bunru ki don ha ki Jaka ki ba jangai bat e ban poi. Ha ba kren shakilat pathai kubor ha ka ying sa jong u ha shillong u konrad ulai thu batang ha ka wei ka district ladon palat arfu wei hajar tli ki parti Dewiong balatip bat ara khen lang ya ka Jylla baro ka wei ka jingdon jongki kala ban poi sha ka arfsan hajar tli ne tam ulo ong bakini ki parti Dewiong ki don ha ki Jaka ba pher bat kalong ka ba e bha ya ka sarkar ban pet bar khmi bnya mar wei ya ka wei pa ka wei kalong ko ba omla satya ban ne jurem bat pet bnya ya baro kini ki Jaka kham tam ha babun na kini ki par kila ban don na tu ki spas ne min shwa ulo ong Menteri rangba ula kubur bakani kadi ka wei ni ki Jingeh ki bakrau tam ba ka sarkar ka ha ban yakhun hapo ka por ka Lincoln henry ula pentikna bakitnat ba pher ki dang tresitom ban penbet ki Jingeh kat bala ula banjuru ba ka sarkar kadi banwat ka Jingeh tli hapdeng ka Jingem kamai jakpo jongki padba bat ka jingsngan jongki nong song kham tam ki khna bar ki briu ki bala ban ngan ha ki jingma na kini ki parti Dewiong bala e no ka benta ka ba kongsan ka longman pene ya ka Jingeh tli kat bangi pet ya ka kamai jakpo bat ka bha ka miat jong ki pat ba ni deiru ban pentikna ya ka jingsngan jong ki briu bat ki khna lo ong u kontrat ulo ong ba ka sarkar kandang beteng ban shemi ki sinjam ki badan kam ban khmi bat penbet ya ka ni ka kam ha ki sngi ban wan
Again, you see, the problem with this is that there is no right answer to this, and it'll always be a challenge. And we are working with constraints, with difficulties, and we need to balance out all aspects. So while coal mining is a livelihood aspect, which is very, very important, I've been mentioning, but yet we have to at the same time balance the safety of the miners and the impact on the environment. So therefore, that is what we are trying to achieve. And therefore, in the process, there will never be a kind of a perfect system that we'll be able to achieve. There will always be challenges ahead. And we are trying to overcome those challenges and find what is best suited for our state and for our miners. And we are working very closely with everyone, including Government of India. And as I said, we are making strides forward. And we are hopeful, as I said, that slowly and steadily things will reach to a point where we'll be able to really balance out things in a much more better and perfect manner. As of now, the larger mines, about 100-hectare mines, are being permitted by Government of India. 4 mines, as I said, permissions have been given. 3 mines are already active. In fact, large quantity of coal from these scientifically mined coals have already started being exported out of the state. So the process has started, but it's a long way to go. And our concerns are actually the smaller miners who are not having the kind of requisite area that is required. So those challenges are in the process. We are trying to address them by seeking permission from Government of India, whether smaller mines can be given permissions, and we are getting positive response, but I would refrain from giving details right now until unless we have a final clearance from it.
Yeah, abandoned mines are a cause of concern. Two deaths took place recently.
You see, the problem is, as I said, there are more than 21,000 mines just in one district. And if you put all the state together, there are maybe close to about 25,000 mines. And these are all in different locations. It is almost next to physically impossible for us to really go into all of these aspects. And these mines have been there for centuries, not just decades. For centuries they've been there. So yes, it is a challenge. And all of this has come on us in this kind of limited time and space, and multiple challenges are being addressed. But as I said, we are working on them, and we are ensuring that we balance things out. I think I stress on the word balance because that's really what is important. So while we have to look at livelihood, we need to ensure that we continue to take care of our people. We need to also take care of their lives and the safety of the miners and the environment as well.